Hey everyone, welcome to AOMA Company. Today we are diving into why borosilicate glass is the gold standard for packaged mesotherapy products. What is borosilicate glass? Borosilicate glass is a super strong material that resists temperature changes and protects against heat, sunlight, and air. Unlike regular glass or plastic, it ensures your mesotherapy products stand stable and safe. Why does it matter for mesotherapy? For mesotherapy products often contain sensitive ingredients like vitamin C or peptide that can degrade in the lung conditions. Borosilicate glass protects these ingredients, keeping them potent and effective in your treatments. Key benefits of borosilicate glass: light protection, blocks harmful UV rays, chemical resistance, no unwanted reactions, thermal stability, handles extreme temperatures, no contamination, keeps products pure and clean. So as you can see, with Otesaly mesotherapy products, borosilicate glass ensures your treatment remains fresh and effective. From our facility to your clinic, we prioritize quality and safety every step of the way. Alright, that's all of this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video for more insights.